Alright, travel addicts, listen up. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to outsmart those sticky-fingered fiends lurking in the shadows of your next big adventure. Get ready to turn your luggage into Fort Knox and your travel paranoia into pure, unadulterated confidence. This ain't your grandma's travel advice, unless your grandma happens to be a ninja. First up, let's talk about hiding your valuables. The obvious hiding spots are, well, obvious. We're going deeper, people. Think about it. What looks completely harmless? Something nobody in their right mind would want to touch? Yep, I'm talking about that half-empty tube of chapstick at the bottom of your bag. Clean it out, stuff your cash in there, and bam! You've got yourself the world's most unassuming vault. And don't even get me started on the potential of an empty deodorant container. Remember, the key is to think like a thief. What would you steal? Anything but that crusty old chapstick, that's what. Next up, let's talk about everyone's favorite metal loop, the mighty Carabiner. These bad boys are good for more than just clipping your water bottle to your backpack. Think of your backpack zippers as the flimsy door to your treasure trove of goodies. Loop it through both zipper pulls, give it a good tug, and bam! You've just created your own personal Fort Knox on your back. Clip those bags together, and you've got yourself a portable, theft-deterrent chain gang of luggage. Good luck to any petty thief trying to make off with that haul. They'll probably throw their backs out before they even get close to your stuff. Alright, let's address the elephant, or rather the zipper in the room. Some folks swear by closing the zippers at the top of the bag, claiming it makes it harder to sneak a hand in. But me? I'm a bottom zipper kind of guy. Why? Because gravity, my friends. If someone tries to unzip your bag from the top while you're not looking, everything spills out, creating a noisy, messy scene that's sure to attract attention. So, whether you're a top zipper or a bottom zipper, just make sure those zippers are doing their job. Alright, you've made it to your hotel room, you're exhausted, you just want to throw on your comfy pajamas and order room service. But hold on, my friend, the mission's not over yet. Even in the supposed safety of your hotel room, you gotta stay vigilant. Option A, the pack safe travel safe. This bad boy is basically a portable vault for your valuables. You can loop it around a pipe or bed frame and voila, instant peace of mind. Option B, channel your inner bike messenger and get yourself a sturdy bike lock. Thread it through the handles of your luggage and around something immovable in the room, and you've got yourself a DIY security system that'll make any thief think twice. And then there's option C, the classic hide-and-seek maneuver. Stash your valuables in the most unexpected, least obvious places you can find. Let's talk about the black hole of travel anxiety, checked luggage. You hand over your precious cargo to complete strangers, hoping and praying it emerges on the other side of the baggage carousel, preferably with all its contents intact. First and foremost, invest in hard-shell luggage with built-in TSA locks. Those flimsy zippered suitcases? They're like a siren song to baggage handlers with light fingers. And those little external TSA locks? In my experience, they're about as effective as a chocolate teapot. Okay, let's get real for a second. No matter how many clever tricks and gadgets you employ, there's always a chance that some opportunistic jerk could try to make off with your stuff. So here's my philosophy. Don't travel with anything you can't bear to lose. Seriously, if someone wants to steal my used underwear, Walmart t-shirts, and moist toothbrush, they probably need it more than I do. But those irreplaceable family heirlooms, that one-of-a-kind vintage camera, the handwritten journal filled with your deepest thoughts, leave them at home. On-the-go security, because thieves never sleep. You've made it through airport security, you've navigated the labyrinthine corridors of the airport, and now you're faced with the dreaded layover. You're exhausted, you just want to close your eyes for 5 minutes, but you also don't want to wake up to find your bags have gone on an adventure of their own. Fear not, my friend, I've got you covered. Sleeping in the airport? Loop that bag strap around your leg. On a crowded bus? Keep it on your lap. Hug tight like it's your long-lost best friend. Hopping in a taxi? Valuables up front with you where you can keep an eye on them. AirTags and trackers. Embrace the future of luggage security. We live in a glorious age of technology, people, so let's use it to our advantage. I'm talking about the magic of AirTags and other tracking devices. These little gadgets are like your own personal private investigators, silently reporting back on the whereabouts of your precious cargo. Slip an AirTag into your checked luggage, tuck a tracker into your backpack, and breathe easy, knowing that you can keep tabs on your stuff no matter where it ends up. It's like having a guardian angel for your luggage, except this guardian angel runs on Bluetooth and can be tracked on your phone. Let's talk about the art of deception, travel ninja style. The goal here is to make your belongings as unappealing to thieves as possible. Got a shiny new laptop you're carrying around? Time to give it a makeover. Slap that bad boy into a beat-up, ugly backpack that screams, "I haven't been washed in a decade and I'm full of old gym socks and crumbs." Trust me, nobody's going to risk getting their hands dirty for that. Feeling extra cautious? Wrap your entire backpack in a trash bag. I know, it sounds ridiculous, but it works. Alright, this next tip is for the true travel ninjas out there, the ones who want to take their security to the next level. I'm talking about secret pockets, people, and not just any secret pockets. We're talking about pockets so secret, even you'll forget they exist, until you need them. Think inside the waistband of your pants, along the inseam, even inside the lining of your jacket. Just make sure you remember where you put everything. Our final tip for outsmarting thieves is a classic bait-and-switch maneuver. We're talking about dummy items, my friends. The goal here is to create a decoy, something that looks valuable enough to catch a thief's eye but won't break the bank if it disappears. A good rule of thumb is to use an old phone that still looks somewhat presentable, maybe even an old wallet with a few expired credit cards, and a dollar bill tucked inside. Just enough to pique a thief's interest and give them a false sense of victory while they make off with your cleverly disguised junk. So there you have it. My top secret, slightly ridiculous but highly effective tips for keeping your stuff safe while traveling. Remember, things are replaceable, memories are not. Don't let the fear of theft steal your joy. If you enjoyed this adventure and want more travel tips that are smarter than a monkey wearing a tiny hat, hit that subscribe button like it's the last slice of pizza. And if you've got any crazy anti-theft stories of your own, share them in the comments. Let's create a community of travel ninjas. See you later, bye.